Hey guys, today's a super big day. I'm gonna go pick up my brother and his girlfriend, and me and my dad are gonna go check out some vans with them that we're gonna go build into a camper. So I'm gonna take you guys along on this journey with us. We're gonna start from day one, so you guys are gonna be able to see everything. And I really hope you guys enjoy the series. And yeah, just let me know down below if there's anything you guys want to see more of. This is gonna be I'm really new to this, so I hope it all goes well, and I'll see you guys at the dealership. Hey y'all. That was actually all filmed like I think a week ago by now. I mean, it was crazy. Things did not go as planned, but I guess they never do. We searched everywhere. I mean, every van we went to was either already sold by the time we got there, or it was just not good enough. It wasn't big enough. It is really hard to find a van right now, but we finally did. I'll show some footage right about now of us at the dealer and us getting there. It was an early morning. It's been a long day because it was on the other side of the Netherlands, so we had to go there first. But we finally got it. I already did some work, as you can see. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But mainly, yeah, it was a long day, and I just wanted to get some stuff done while it was still light outside. I think tomorrow I'm gonna clean it and stuff, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick look around. So this is it. This is a 2013 Mercedes Sprinter. Is actually from the Dutch U-Haul, let's say, where they rent this out to people who are moving or whatever. I mean, it's huge. It's a L2 H2 for anyone who knows the bus lingo out there, because I didn't. But I mean, look at this. It's massive on the inside. I mean, this is huge. Like, if I get in here, I can stand in here with no problem. I mean, look at this. Like, of course, there's gonna be some insulation and roofing, and it's not gonna be as tall, but this is huge. So I've already removed the wooden panels. These were all along the inside. Harder to remove than expected, but I mean, it is just filthy. Look at that. So I'm gonna give this all a quick clean, and then I'm gonna call it quits for today. But I mean, just look how filthy this is. We even found some keys. I don't know what this is, but I guess someone's missing that. But yeah, I'm super excited to be working on this. I mean, the bus looks great. It's the paint's not ideal. I mean, it's got this, but that's all stuff that I can fix, and it looks great. So I'm super excited to be working on it. All right, guys. I just finished cleaning up the entire van on the inside and the outside, and man, that was not easy. It was filthy, especially on the inside. It was disgusting. The water that came out was black. It was, it was just, thinking about it makes me gag. It was disgusting. It smelled really bad too, but yeah. The sun did start shining, as you guys can see, right when it's about to set, but the clouds went away, which is nice because it's freezing over here. It's really, really cold. I know I'm just wearing a hoodie and that's it, but that's because I've been working so hard. I'm going to show you guys around, show you how it looks. On the inside, it cleaned up really nicely. As you can see, it's still a little bit dirty. But I mean, compared to what it was, this is a huge difference. I mean, you can see that it's red. There were, this can still get cleaned up, but I mean, this was just all black and disgusting and sticky, and it cleaned up super nicely. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. And on the outside, it's still wet because I still need to dry it, but just wash the outside. The outside was pretty nice, actually, so there were no problems with that. There were just some really light scratches that you could easily buff out. And as I was recording it, my phone died, of course, because I'm new to this, so be patient with me. But I mean, it is looking really good. Here, there's like this stuff I can all buff out, and I'll be doing that throughout the process. But right now I'm super happy with how it turned out. I always really like washing a car as soon as you get it, because it really gives you a really good understanding of what's wrong with it, and if there's rust anywhere, where there's scratches, where there's stuff you can work on. And I mean, I did it, and no surprises, luckily, and it looks really well, so I'm super excited. And I guess, I mean, the sun's starting to set, it's starting to get dark here, and it's really cold. I don't feel my hands, so I think I'm gonna get you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day here, and man, it is beautiful outside. Look at that. The sun is shining, the sky's blue. It is beautiful. It's still a little chilly. It's not the warmest, but I mean, it is so much better than yesterday. I mean, I just want to work on the van all day, but I can't because I have some plans, so it's gonna be a short day. I don't really plan on doing too much. I just want to see if I can take off the little steps on the side of the side skirts. I don't know what you would call them on a van. I want to take this off and paint them black, so I think I'm going to see if I can do that really easily, and just clean it up a little bit. And it's going to be a short, easy day, but I mean, the weather is just, look, the weather's amazing, and yeah, can't wait. Man, wow, look at that. I just painted both of the guardrails, side rails, whatever you want to call them. I just painted both of them. That one is drying up right now, and then this one, look at this. I think it looks way better. We got the high gloss black. That one's completely bolted in. I mean, look at that. It looks sick, man. And then I want to get these painted as well, matte black, or I'm going to paint these matte black. And I think it'll really just make the van look a lot better. I mean, and I want to get the back one painted as well, but that's all going to be done tomorrow or whenever I have time. So I'm super happy with how it turned out. Of course, there are scratches on there, and the paint isn't perfect, but I mean, it's for a camper van, I think it's fantastic. So I'm super happy with how it turned out. I mean, just look at that. It's almost like a mirror. Just, you can see me. Yeah, there's orange peel and stuff, but I mean, hey, for a rattle can job, super happy. All right, guys, it's Saturday. It's the last day of the week here. I actually got some work done off camera. I didn't get to film in any of that, but it's still super early in the day, so it's a long day ahead of us. I removed these side panels, just those ones. I still need to do this and the entire other side. And I removed all these little plastic clips right here, which are super easy. Just put a flathead screwdriver in between those two parts and it pops right out. And I guess this is the first part of the actual camper conversion. I have to kit every single one of those little clips to make sure that no water gets inside the van, because right now if water splashes through there, it can get into the van. So I'm gonna kit all of those, but while the plastic side guards are off, I'm actually gonna be painting them, and I cleaned them up and they cleaned up pretty nicely, but I'm gonna paint these all matte black. I think it's just really gonna look a lot better on the van. It's gonna make it look a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna get some black paint and I'll start filming that, and we're gonna do a lot of stuff today. I think it's gonna be more of a painting day, painting those. I'm gonna see if I can get the back rail off, and I think we're gonna go drive over to the dump and get rid of some trash that we collected. All right, guys, I just got the 3 panels spray painted and I put them on real quick to see what it looks like. And I mean, look at how good that looks. I mean, this, if I were to just show you this, if you let out the rim like this, it looks like a brand new van. I mean, this is insane. If compare it to this, where it's all weathered down, and I mean, look, this is as clean as I got it. And then you have, it just looks amazing. So I'm gonna do that with all the other panels. I'm gonna take those off. I also put kits around each clip here so that no water can get inside. It's all watertight, and this is going to look amazing. All right, guys, it's coming to the end of the day, and I got a lot of work done. I'm super happy with everything I did. We got this all blacked out and it looks super nice. I have this. I still want to do the front grille, but I want to do all of this. Well, I got it all off and I have it painted over there, but after one layer I just realized it's too cold, it's getting too windy, so I think I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow, because it's gonna be a new day tomorrow. It's gonna be, today was an amazing day. It's starting to get cold now. Tomorrow's gonna be it looks like the same weather, so I hope it is, so I can get that painted. But otherwise I'm super happy with how everything's turning out. It's going a lot smoother than I thought it would, so I'm super happy. And this is the end of week 1, guys, so please let me know if you guys are enjoying it, if I can do anything better. Like I said, I'm new to this. I don't really know what I'm doing, so please let me know if there's anything that I can improve on, and I'd be happy to hear it down below, or whatever you guys want to do. I mean, here's first, you can see it's not that good, so we need to fix that, but I'll fix that all tomorrow and then get it on the car. But you guys will all see that next week, So I'll see you guys next week. Please let me know if everything's good. If you want to follow, you can subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys next week. God bless y'all.